Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking a classic Bunnings Sausage Sizzle. We're all missing our weekly sausages as we leave Bunnings, so I'm going to show you how to do it from the comfort and safety of your own home. To start, slice 2 large onions. Next, you need to find the cheapest sausages you can find. This is extremely important because the cheaper the sausages, the better it will taste. None of those gourmet sausages. The key to a successful sausage sizzle is the cheapest product means the maximum profit. Then place the sausages on a cold barbecue because at this point Margaret would be yelling at Greg because they spent too much time yakking with Robert and the store opens in 20 minutes. So then quickly fire up that barbecue. Place the onions in a pile next to the sausages. Having them piled up like this allows the onions to steam and grill at the same time. By cooking the sausages this way, they'll cook through nice and slowly before getting that beautiful crispy outside when the barbecue gets a little too hot. Make sure to keep turning those sausages regularly. After 15 to 20 minutes, the sausages should be ready to rest. The easiest way to tell is by cutting the end off with the tongs. Once they're cooked through, turn off the gas and allow them to rest for 45 minutes on the barbecue. This is the most crucial step when it comes to Bunnings sausages. Allowing the sausages to rest on the barbecue gives them the time to crisp up a little and for those onions to continue softening. Make sure to sneak a sausage off the barbecue while Margaret isn't looking. And of course we all know the only way to eat a Bunnings sausage is warm, not hot. There's 3 other crucial things you need: white bread, black and gold napkins, and the classic tomato sauce. It has to come in the squeezy bottle because it tastes better. Place a slice of white bread on the napkin, lay a sausage diagonally, and place the onions on top. Cover with a layer of that beautiful tomato sauce, charge your family members $2.50 and there you have it, a Bunnings sausage sizzle at home. The cheap sausages coupled with the long resting time makes this sausage and bread the truly authentic Bunnings sausage. You can enjoy everybody's favourite while staying at home and making sure we look after each other. If you like this recipe, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.